Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can download the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package into your Windows. So if you're facing an issue that requires you to download the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package, then this video is for you. So let's go quick into the process on how we can download that. So we are going to bring up and open any of our favorite browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Now I'm just going to open my Microsoft Edge browser. So just search for that in the Windows search bar. Anyway, the process is just the same for all the browsers that you're using on your Windows. So in the search bar right here, just type Microsoft. Just follow the same thing as what I am doing. Visual C++ download. It's Microsoft Visual C++ download and just hit enter. Now you'll find the first of options. So there are a lot of results that will appear once you search the Microsoft Visual C++ download, but do not click any result except for the first result, which is from learn.microsoft.com, which is the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads. Again, do not click any results aside for and except for learn.microsoft.com. So click on it. Now in this article, you'll find Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. Click on that. Then you will be directed into this latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. So the latest version is 14.42.344.33.0. So you're going to download the link that corresponds to the architecture of your Windows. So if you are in an architecture or the architecture of your Windows is ARM64, 86-bit or 64-bit, then you just have to simply download the link that corresponds to the architecture of your Windows. Now my Windows is a 64-bit, so I'm going to click on this link that corresponds to it. And the installer file right here will be downloaded. So as you can see, now once done, just double click the installer file and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. Then you are going to check this button, I agree to the license terms and conditions. Then simply click on install. So let's just wait for this. This is the latest version. Now it will state that the setup is successful. You must restart your computer before you can use the software. So you have to click on restart. So once you click on restart, then after that, you have to open the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Now I'm not just going to click on restart, but in your case, you have to click on restart so that you can use the software. Now to confirm if we have just installed the application, what we can do is you need to open this application after you have restarted your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.